Hey, good morning to you. Chuck here at Pals. Jaguar. Yeah, we got a Jaguar in the shop today. What a pretty car it is. It is a 2016 with very low miles on it. Lady just bought the car. She lives in my neighborhood, the Villages. And you can see this is an absolutely gorgeous car. So you might ask what we're doing to it. Basic service, doing an oil change. Needed a battery, so we're putting a battery in it. And due to fatigue, we're replacing the sway bar links. The rubber bushings are wore out in them. Now you might ask, how does a low mileage car that doesn't get driven need sway bar links? Well, rubber breaks down over time, and just because a car sits doesn't mean that it doesn't need rubber components replaced. But if you look at this car, it is absolutely beautiful. So if you have a Jaguar that you drive all the time, or one that just sits and needs regular care and maintenance, bring it to Pals. We hope to see you here soon with your Jaguar.